Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a birthday frame. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a sturdy, plain photo frame, some colorful cardstock or scrapbook paper, and a strong adhesive like craft glue or a glue gun. Don't forget decorative items such as glitter, stickers, ribbons, or small artificial flowers. Having a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler, and a pencil will also be incredibly helpful for precise measurements and cuts. Now, let's prepare the base of your birthday frame. Begin by carefully measuring the front surface of your plain frame. Cut your chosen cardstock or scrapbook paper to these exact dimensions, ensuring a perfect fit. Apply a generous, even layer of adhesive to the frame's surface, then carefully press the paper onto it. Take your time to smooth out any air bubbles, working from the center outwards, to achieve a perfectly flat and professional-looking finish. This is where your creativity truly shines. Start by arranging your chosen decorative elements, such as glitter, stickers, or small artificial flowers, onto the frame. You might want to add the birthday person's name or a special message using adhesive letters. Experiment with different layouts before permanently attaching anything. Once you're happy with the design, use a strong craft glue or a hot glue gun to firmly secure all your embellishments in place, ensuring they won't fall off. To complete your beautiful birthday frame, it's crucial to allow all the adhesives to dry thoroughly. This might take anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, depending on the type of glue you used. Once dry, gently clean any smudges or excess glue from the frame's surface with a soft cloth. Finally, insert a cherished photograph of the birthday person or a memorable moment. Your unique, handmade birthday frame is now ready to be gifted and proudly displayed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.